If you're looking for an alternative to Koala, ZimWriter, Predraft, or Machined, all of these tools are very popular AI content writers. I don't think you can find a better alternative than SEOPilot AI Writer. This is a direct competitor to those AI writers, which means it is also going to write long-form articles, and the articles that you generate using SEOPilot, they are going to be SEO optimized, so you do not have to worry about ranking them. There are a lot of customization options before you write an article, and after the article has been generated, you will get redirected to a built-in editor that you can use in order to edit your content according to your liking. And once that content is completely ready, you can directly publish it to your WordPress website from the dashboard of SEOPilot. Let me show you all the key features of SEOPilot in a nutshell. So here are all of them. And a great news is SEOPilot is currently available on RocketHub as a lifetime deal. Let me show you all the plans. So here are all of the features, and there is a big bonus with this product. So if you buy SEOPilot from RocketHub, you will get access to the Chrome extension of SEOPilot for absolutely free. This Chrome extension has a value of $49. Let me show you that. So here is the listing of the Chrome extension. Let me show you all the key features of this. So here are those. So if you buy the SEOPilot AI Writer, you will get that Chrome extension for absolutely free, which is simply amazing. So back to the lifetime deal, here are all of the features of this AI content writer. And here are 3 tiers that you can buy from RocketHub. So the tier 1 is going to cost $99. You can create up to 30 articles per month. You can have 1 user on your account. You can create 1 workspace. You can connect only 1 WordPress site. But there are some upcoming features that you will not get on this license tier 1, such as this automated internal and external linking, bulk article writer, and the post scheduling feature. So these features are not going to be available on the license tier 1, but on the tier 2 that cost $199, you will get these upcoming features. As you can see, here are those. And there are some very impressive features on this tier 2, such as you can create unlimited articles every month. You can add 5 users. You can create 5 workspaces. You can also connect 5 of your websites. There is also license tier 3 that costs $349. You can create unlimited articles every month. You can have 25 users on the account. You can create 25 workspaces, and you can connect 25 of your websites. So if you want to buy SEOPilot AI Writer from RocketHub on a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. Now, before I go to the dashboard and show you how the AI Writer is going to work, first let me show you the roadmap of this tool. So here's the roadmap. Here are some of the features that are for future considerations. Here are some of the next or approved for developments. Let me show you all of them. There are also some in progress features as well as some completed ones. After you log into SEOPilot, you are going to get this dashboard, and this is a super simple dashboard. Even if you are a beginner, you are going to face no problems at all in order to create articles with this tool. But before you attempt to write your articles, first you have to connect your API key from this section. The API key has to be OpenAI API key. And one of the features that I really like about SEOPilot is this workspace. So as you can see, I currently have only 1 workspace, default one. But you can also create more workspaces if you purchase the license tier 2 or the 3 from RocketHub. So once you create your workspace, you can have separate websites connected to separate workspaces. For example, if I go to this integrations, so this is exactly the section where you have to connect your website. So as you can see on top, you can access your workspaces. So if you have a lot of workspace, all of them are going to appear on here. So you can select a particular workspace, and then you can connect a website or multiple websites to that particular workspace, which means on different workspaces, you can have different websites connected. And the same goes for API key. So for each workspace, you can have a separate API key connected. And also the same goes for this team. So as you can see, once again, you can access the workspaces on top. So on each workspace, you can have different team members. Now, in order to generate your articles, you have to go to this create article section. So the first thing you have to do is select your AI model. So these are the options that you can choose from. You can choose the GPT-4 Turbo, which is the latest one. You can also choose GPT-4, the standard one, or the 3.5 Turbo. So let me select this last one. And then you can choose what type of article you want to create. It could be a blog article or listicle. So I'm just going to keep it blog article, and then I have to provide the topic or the main keyword of my article. For example, the topic is going to be impact of artificial intelligence on everyday life. After providing the topic, I have to give some target keywords, and in order to provide multiple keywords, you have to separate the keywords by a comma. Let me show you that. So here are all of my target keywords. You can add as many as you want. And then you have to choose the article length. So it could be normal article. And for this, the word range is going to be 1000 to 1800. But you can also opt for this long article. If you want a very long article that is going to contain over 2000 words, I'm just going to select this normal article. And then you can also select the article tone. So there are a lot of options. It could be SEO optimized or informative, excited, empathetic, professional. So let's just keep it SEO optimized. And you can select the article language as well as the country. And a great customization option on this article writer is this point of view. This is amazing. You can even select what type of point of view, POV, you want on your article. So it could be third person, which means your article is going to use this kind of pronouns such as he, she, it, or they. You can also opt for second person, you, your, or yours. You can also make it first person plural or singular. So if you use this singular, first person singular, the article is going to be very personalized, but I'm just going to keep it third person. And then there's another great feature, which is this outline source. So for the outline, you have three different options. The number one is system generated outline, which means SEOPilot is going to generate an outline by themselves. But you can also add your own custom outline. So for custom outline, you have to add the headings by clicking on this plus icon. So now you can add a H2 or H3, H4. So this way you can add headings to make sure that your article is using your own custom outline. But you can also use outline from an URL. For example, the article that you plan to generate, it has already written by multiple websites, and from those, one of the websites really stands out, and that's why you want to use that particular outline from that website's article. So all you have to do is paste the URL of that article on this box, and then you can get the outline from that exact article. So let's just keep it system generated. And there are also some advanced settings, such as you can include the introduction as well as conclusion. And a great feature on here is that you can even add table of contents. So during the editing part, we have to manually add the table of content, but you can easily generate that using AI. Just you have to enable this. You can also include FAQ if you want on your article. Then there is also this image service section. So if you want images on your articles, you can also get that. So you can either get that from Unsplash or Pixels. But the best part is you can also get that from 𝗗𝗽𝗽𝘀𝗂𝗺𝚗𝑐, which means you are going to get AI generated images. So I'm just going to keep it no featured image. And there is also this extra section prompt. So if you have some extra instructions that you want to apply to your article, you can provide that prompt on this box. But keep in mind that this prompt is going to apply to every section. So make sure you write your prompt accordingly. And then you can also add links, external links to your articles. You can add multiple links. You have to click on this. So as you can see now, you can add multiple links. So I'm just going to disable all of the advanced settings and create an article and see what we get. So as you can see, now the process has started. It is going to research keywords, web research, create outline, generate article, and then optimize the output. So let's see what we get. Okay, so our article is completely ready, and it took around 30 seconds to generate this article. It contains over 1500 words. You can also see the amount of tokens that has been used as well as the cost of this article. So these tokens and the cost is based on the OpenAI API key. And here is our article. So as a writer, I have to say the article looks super impressive. If you read it properly, you will see that it has covered all of the important topics regarding the main topic very well. And it's a pretty long article, as you can see. So now let's go back to the top. And on the left side, you have the article. You can also format it. As you can see, here are all of the text formatting options. You can also add images to your article. And on the right side, you can see the full outline for your articles. You can also see which heading is H1, which one is H3. So this is amazing. And if you click on this show inputs, you can see all of the inputs or the customization options that I have used in order to generate the article. So now a great feature is that you can directly publish this article to your WordPress website. You have to click on this. Since I have not connected my WordPress website, I cannot do that. But connecting the website is very easy. You have to go to this integrations and then you have to provide some details such as the WordPress username, password in order to connect your WordPress website. But if you do not want to publish it directly, you just want to copy this article, you can export it. So there are multiple exporting options. You can copy the rich text, the HTML, or you can also download the HTML. And obviously you can save this article. So now if I go to this My Article section, as you can see, here is our article. Now if you want to see more article samples that are generated using SEOPilot AI Writer, you can simply come to this page and you can see the URL of this page on your screen. So if you want to read more article samples that are generated using SEOPilot, you can read these articles. Overall, I think SEOPilot AI Writer is an excellent tool. All you have to do is just connect your OpenAI API key and then you can start writing your articles. There are a lot of input options. Before you generate the article, you can set the target keywords, you can set the article tone, you can change the language as well as the country. And there are some very cool customization options such as the point of view. You can select the point of view. It could be third person, second person, first person. You can also choose a custom outline source for your article. So if you want to buy SEOPilot AI Writer on a lifetime deal from RocketHub, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all of these features, and these are 3 tiers that you can buy from RocketHub.